So you've got your digital product ready. However, the most challenging aspect of the business is attracting an audience to it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can drive traffic to your product for free and increase your sales. If you're serious about selling your digital products, then every traffic channel should lead to your online store. But how do you get your store? There are two paths: building it from scratch or using a platform. Building from scratch gives more flexibility but requires technical skills or a budget to hire a specialist or a team. You'll also have to deal with ads and driving traffic yourself. If you use a platform, keep in mind that there are fees and limits. But there's also great benefit. Platforms often offer their own marketing tools. For example, if you run a store with Sellvia, you get SEO-ready product pages, built-in promo tools, and even ready-made ad campaigns. If you want to know more about platforms for digital products, watch our previous video. I'll put the link in the description. And the easiest place to start is social media. Social media is one of the easiest free ways to get traffic, but people often try to promote their digital products everywhere at once. Don't. Pick 1 or 2 platforms where most of your buyers hang out and focus on it. Visual platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are best for selling design templates. If it's a business course, choose LinkedIn and YouTube. Each post should lead back to your site. The goal here isn't to go viral one time, but to give people a reason to click through again and again. But social media has one weakness. There's a ton of content posted every day, and your posts disappear quickly. And that's how the next traffic channel can help you. Blogging. This approach is slower, but it keeps paying back long term. This approach means creating a blog on your website. When someone types a question into Google and your article answers it, you get a visitor you didn't have to pay for. So the key here is to write articles about the problems your digital product solves. If you sell a meal planning guide, write posts about saving time on weekly cooking. If you sell a Notion template, write about staying organized. The trick here is being patient. Content takes a few months to climb in search results, but once it ranks, it will start bringing traffic to your website on autopilot. The next channel is often underrated, and I get why. It takes some time to make it effective. Thematic forums and communities. Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, threads, Discord servers. There are places where people seek solutions to problems your product can solve. But do not just show up and spam your product link. You'll get banned and you'll get ignored. Nobody likes such intrusive types of marketing. Instead, try becoming an active member of the group. Answer questions, share your knowledge, and be useful. Mention your product when it truly fits. People trust a recommendation from someone who knows more. And that trust converts way better than any cold ad. Again, don't rush. Become a part of the group and don't treat people as wallets. They are your target audience, so you can also get great insights that may help you make your digital product even better. Everything so far depends on you doing the work, except the next one. It's called affiliate marketing, and the idea is simple. You let other people promote your digital product, and you only pay when they make a sale. So instead of you doing every bit of the marketing yourself, you've got bloggers, creators, and influencers out there driving traffic to your products for you. And because they only get paid on results, there is basically no risk sitting on your side. Your product just has to be promising and interesting to them. If they see an opportunity, they will promote it. Setting it up is straightforward. Create an affiliate program, give your partners affiliate links and creatives to work with, and let them run it. The more partners you bring on, the more traffic flows in without any extra hours from you. Sure, there are always paid ads. But in this video, we wanted to cover the free variants. And remember that you don't need all 5 channels running at once. Pick one, try it, and then add the next. If this video was helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.